All right, Miss McGuinn here. Right now we are going to practice comparing decimals. Remember that when we compare, we're looking to see whether something is greater, less than, or equal to. We have 7,300 and 5,200. All right. So the first thing that we want to do is make our place value chart. Place value chart is going to be your friend. It's going to help you get there. When I'm looking at these, the numbers to my left, it's only going to the ones place. So I'm just going to make my place value chart tenths, hundredths, going to the ones place. When you are comparing decimals, making this place value chart is really going to help you. So I'm going to put my first number in. Remember to line up your decimals, 7,300. Put my second number in, 5,200. All right. When we're comparing, we're looking to see if they are different. If our numbers are different, then I can compare them. So now when I look here, I start in the greatest place value, which is my ones place. These are both the same. They're 0. So they're not different, so I'm not going to compare them. I'm going to the next place, 7 and 5. Well, which one is greater, 7 or 5? Well, the 7 is larger. So in my numbers up here, 7,300 or 5,200, I'm going to give that one 2 dots, and this other one gets 1 dot. Connect my dots. So when I read this, 7,300 is greater than 5,200. Okay, I have 2 more numbers to compare, 5/10 and 6,300. So I'm going to start with labeling my place, creating my place value chart, excuse me. So when I'm creating my place value chart, I'm looking to the left, it's only one place, so I'm just going to do my ones, tenths, hundredths. All right, so now I'm going to put my numbers in, stack them on top of each other, and just line up my decimals. Make sure that they're lined up. Okay. And all right. So when I look here, all right, in my ones place, looking here in my ones place, both of my numbers are the same, 0. So I need to go to the next place. Well, here in my tenths, I have a 5 and a 6. Looking at these two numbers, they are different. So now I can compare. Which one is larger? Which one is greater? The 6 is the larger number. So I'm going to go ahead and, for my 6, I'm going to give that 2 dots and 1 dot to the 5. I have connected my dots, and now 5/10 is less than 6,300. All right, and here's my last example to compare. So now, looking at this, the numbers to the left of my decimal, it goes all the way out to the hundreds place. So when I make my place value chart, and same thing here, when I make my place value chart, I'm just going to go ahead and make my place value chart to the hundreds. Create my lines. All right. So now, here's my decimal. I'm going to put my numbers in. 562 and 3/10 and 562 and 5,700. All right. So now I have my numbers in my place value chart, and I'm going to start comparing, starting the largest place value, which is the hundreds place. 5 and 5, it's the same, so I keep on moving. Tens place, 6, 6, that's the same. Go to the ones place, 2 and 2, that's still the same. When I get to my tenths place, oh, here we go. We have numbers that are different, 3 and 5. So again, which one is larger? I'm going to circle the larger number, which is 5 in the tenths place, and it's right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and give this one 2 dots, this one 1 dot, and 562 and 3/10 is less than 562 and 5,700. Use your place value chart. It will help you.